Makiaria thutha wa kugia na mucemanio uria urehete hamwe honge cia ugitiri kuma kaunti iria cire irathiro, rugongo, gatagati ka bururi na gicua-ini manyitanire na ruhonge rwa Nakada maugite bara ya kuhurana na thuguri ya dawa cia kurebia ikuhotanwo ni undu wa unyitaniri wa muingi na honge cia thirikari.
Unfortunately, we have been associated with the trafficking of this through our region. We want to tell them that we are engaging, and we have engaged very successful engagements with our counterparts in Ethiopia, and we are in the process of making a breakthrough.
Afitha borithi aria macukeirwo kunyitanira na thuguri ino ni mekireirwo mukana wa iherithia iritu.
Any officer who is involved in trafficking of bangi will face the law like any ordinary wananchi. He is not going to get any special treatment because he is a government officer. In fact, he will get more serious sanctions than the other persons.
Whoever is involved in this kind of business is arrested and put before court of law to make sure once we take cases there, we take cases to court, they are fast tracked and we get an immediate outcome.
Kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe kuri andu maikitio ngono makuite dawa cia kurebia kuma mwena wa Ethiopia guthie Isiolo riri miturire ya aingi anangikite ni uhuthiri wa dawa ici makiria bangi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.